Cool.
I have to drop it off at the shop.
Get my mom's car.
Yeah. Alright, okay. Alright, y'all. I'm taking Ruby to the shop. Pray for me that she gets there safely. Because she's been acting real funny. To a point where I don't even know if I should be riding her. But I need my key. And on top of that, I'm in a rush. But when I get out there, I promise you, I won't rush. My brother's following behind me too. So we have safety. Why do I have my keys? I don't want these. I actually think my brother's gonna kill me, guys. Guys, welcome back to my channel, Directive Auntie. And today, I'm taking Ruby to the shop. We're gonna go get her fixed up because she needs to be fixed real bad. I'm just like a little nervous because she's been acting weird to me. Like yesterday when I was shifting, I swear it wasn't me. This time it was her. Because I just think she's still hurt from when I dropped her. And on top of that, I need to be there by 4:30. It's like 4:10 right now. What is this about? They've been doing so much construction by where I live, and I hate it for me. Oh, they're redoing the church that my parents got married at. Cool. But I really hate it for me because it just has messed me up in the mornings, driving my bus. Like, it just be messing me up. All this construction. But I have to ride on this road that, like, last time, it's like traumatizing because last time I had to pull over. It was like embarrassing. So hopefully this doesn't happen to me this time. My brother's behind me. There he is right there. I don't know what time it is. I don't have a freaking quad lock for my phone, which actually I do have one, but I can't figure out how to put it on. But I haven't really taken the time to do it. But y'all, I need my shifter fixed. I need my clutch fixed. I think I need some lube on my chain. I probably need an oil change. So, but I have this price point in my head that I'm praying doesn't go beyond that. And I actually budgeted more than what he said. So I'm really hoping it's right where I said. And like in my area where I live, it's like a lot of gentrification happening. So like more people moved around here and I hate it. Oh my gosh, are you kidding? You're gonna make me stall. Like, it's just like more traffic that we've never had before. I just hate it. Okay, he didn't even say hi. Rudeness. But see, I don't say hi unless you say hi. So it's like, if you don't want to say hi, cool, fine with me. I don't even know if my mic is working. Let's hope so. Look at that, it says love your buds. Because it's a dispensary, you get it. Ha 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 ha. And I went this way because I don't want to get on a super main road, which I'm already going to have to get on. Oh my which now I regret not getting on because this is crazy. But I don't think Trudy was up for it. I mean, Trudy, that's my car's name. I don't think Ruby was up for it. I just need to get around these cars. But I need to go straight. But we might just have to go right. I just don't really want to get on the highway yet. Whatever. I have to. It's already late. Sometimes I really hate getting on major roads where you have to go like 60. It gives me anxiety still. Like, I'm still a new rider. I don't know how to properly shift. I just rode down this road on my bus. Literally like 20 minutes ago. Oh gosh. That's how you could do it. 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 You're gonna shift properly. You're gonna get down this road. Then you're gonna get down the other road. My brother's behind me, so I'll be okay. I'm gonna figure it out. Everything's gonna be okay. I really wish I knew what time it was. I'm supposed to be there by 4:30. It's gotta be like 4:15, 4:20. I only have 10 minutes. Come on, Chevy. We're doing a 28 and a 35. Let's go. Coming from a girl who don't even really know how to go fast on her motorcycle. Too much. Please be red. I need a reset. Oh, of course it's green. Okay, I need to like reset. Okay. Alright, here we go. She sounds horrible. Alright, we're picking up, we're picking up. Guys, I'm stressed. I'm stressed. She sounds horrible. I got it to pick up though to like 40. That's good, I guess. Oh, come on, bro. If I was brave enough to like switch lanes fast, I would have so did it. But I just be too scared because then I feel like the kick up isn't going to be fast enough, and then I basically cut the car off. So like, I don't do it. It's okay, guys. We're gonna get better. We're gonna get better. I'm slowly getting better. Like, I'm like hearing my bike more, which helps me a lot more with shifting. Like, this is about to be bad. Like, see what I mean? My kick up is so slow. I don't know how to do fast. Sometimes she goes fast, sometimes she goes slow. Alright, 47, we're picking up. Look, people are looking at me like, your motor sounds terrible. I wish we didn't stop because, oh my god, the wind is taking me. I wish we didn't stop because then I was cruising. I was in 52. Now we gotta stop and I gotta get back up there. I to come up here. Hold up. Hold on. What time is it? 4:15? Oh, okay. Alright, it's only 4:15. I have 15 minutes. It's not 15 minutes away. It's just, can I get there in 15 minutes riding this bike? Oh, come on, bro. Okay, look at me. I did that good. But of course, the car in front of me is slow. It's like always reverse for me. It's like when I have open space, I can't get the kick up right, the shifting right. Then when I don't have open space, I do the shifting right. It don't make no sense to me. Zero. She sounds so bad. Like, please God, let me make it to this place so they can fix Ruby. God, please. I just don't think she sounds right. All this stopping and going, stopping and going. I hate it for me. Let me like turn this on. The fact that I can touch the ground makes riding a motorcycle so much easier. Like, I am currently striding with my bike. Like, I'm just going pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, but my feet can touch the ground. See, my bike, I can even sway. 5'7" girlies. Oh my gosh, she works at my school. Tall girlies. Am I in gear 1? Yeah. Oh, come on, bruh. When I get a faster bike one day, if that day ever comes to be and I care to do that, I'm gonna like take this and just zoom me up next time. But we don't have that confidence yet at all. So we're not gonna do that. And plus my brother's behind me and I need him to be behind me. So we're gonna chill off that. Oh my god, did I tell you guys how I got a new visor? I have like a mirror, a silver mirror one. Oh my god. With this visor, I feel fucking like just invisible. I feel invisible. It makes me like have a little bit more confidence in terms of like not caring that I fuck up, because now it's like people can't see me at my fishbowl, they just see a mirror. I love it for me. Oh, Ruby. Look, there goes that. See, you guys see this long road? It gives me anxiety. Oh, come on, Sonata, whatever you are. I just need to get around this bend. See, if I was confident and I had a faster bike, I would just go whoop, zoomy up there. But I can't. I'm too scared. Let me make sure I'm first gear. Wait, I'm first gear. I really should have gear on, guys. I know. But I just like drive locally and I don't drive crazy, so I just sometimes just, you know. But if I like the times where like I've gone up to like 65, 70, I have worn some gear. I got the shifting right and I was moving a little bit. But now we stopping. Oh my God. Oh no. What is this? When I was over there, I didn't see this backup. Where does backup come from? It's so nice out though. It's such a beautiful day. It really is. Guys, you know what I keep forgetting to do? I keep forgetting to buckle my chin strap. Oh, let me see if I can do it with one hand right now. Hey, I got it. Oh my God. Kicked up for no reason. Thank God my brother is behind me. Okay. Machinery just slowing everybody up. I have to go through one more light and then we're almost there. Come on, please. Ugh! It went yellow. Devastating. Look, see, he said hi. I respect it. What time is it? That stupid tractor. Alright, y'all, we made it. Oh, fuck's sake. Come on. Oh, come on. You're kidding. Where's my brother? Where's my brother? Oh, my chin strap. Where did he go? Oh shit. I'm like, where did you go? Hold on, hold this real quick.
Use your brain, kid.
I did not see you. I'm like looking around. I don't have the key and